Good afternoon, happy Monday. This is a Master Model 6835. Today we are using the Covert Instruments Genesis and Echelon pick set. And little Neil is using the 20,000th, 5 quint rake in 20,000ths.
I use the 4th. I like the 4 better.
Well, I like the 5. You want the 4?
Yeah. The
Okay,
4?
here's the quad rake. And do you want it 20,000s or 25,000s?
25,000.
He wants the bigger one, he says.
I have a big head.
Okay, here. Anyway.
Oh my god.
It's locked. All right, get to work.
Alright.
While he's doing that, we'll talk a little bit. I use this kit to single pin pick it, and I was using a 20,000ths.
Wait, Daddy, guess what? When I
flat pick, using that.
I just stick the thing in. I just stick the pick in there, and then I just unlocked it.
Yep. Special thank goes to Mr. Ventura. He let me borrow this lock. Thank you so much. All right, Neil, that's it. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day, everyone.
Also, have a good summer, too.